Good afternoon. My name is Arvind Sunil and I'm from grade 9, and today I'm going to be talking about a 3D printer. In our day-to-day life, we come across various projects where we require models or prototypes that are pretty difficult to make ourselves. And that's where a 3D printer comes into play. A 3D printer makes making prototypes or models way easier. First, we have to input a digital drawing in a software called CAD. After we input, we need to make the digital drawing go through a process called slicing. We have to provide XYZ coordinates for the machine to move, and so we convert the XYZ coordinates into G code or machine code, and then it's read by the 3D printing machine and is printed accordingly. It uses stepper motors to turn or move forward with accuracy, and this is how a 3D printer works. We use different filaments for different purposes, like plastic for basic models, chocolates in bakeries, steel and iron for bridges, and cement for buildings. A 3D printer makes a very big difference in the way we make or shape things. So we are able to experience this exposure and this type of experience from Evolve Robotics. My heartfelt thanks to Evolve Robotics in this project.